Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable alert notifications for stories on Messenger. If you've ever missed updates from your friends because the app only gave you quiet notifications or none at all, this quick guide will help you make sure you never miss a story again. Let's dive right into the steps. First, grab your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where we'll start making the small adjustments needed for Messenger notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. This will open a full list of all the apps installed on your device. From that list, locate Messenger. Go ahead and tap on it to access all the options related directly to the Messenger app. Now, once you've opened Messenger settings, find and tap on Notifications. This is the main place where you'll control how the app alerts you when something new happens. Inside Notifications, you'll notice different options for controlling what kind of alerts you receive. Choose notification categories. This is where Messenger breaks down its notifications by type, so you can fine-tune exactly what you want to be notified about. From the list of categories, look for Stories. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can specifically manage how Messenger notifies you whenever someone you know posts a new story. Finally, select Alert. By choosing this, you're telling Messenger that you want full alerts for stories, meaning your phone will grab your attention right away instead of just quietly sending them in the background. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alert notifications for stories on Messenger. From now on, you'll never have to worry about missing updates from the people you care about. This simple change only takes a minute to set up, but it makes sure you stay connected and up to date with the latest posts. If you've been wondering why you weren't seeing story notifications before, this setting adjustment is usually the reason.